The whole idea of this CMCN and Hitachi collaboration is all about how we can help the industry to push for IR 4.0 adoption.
This experience center that was developed with CMCN and Hitachi is a testimonial of collaboration between the two big organizations, and hopefully this will benefit Malaysia and the industries at large.
There's several general challenges for manufacturer in Malaysia. So number one is actually the challenges through the understanding of adoption of smart manufacturing, IR 4.0, and the lack of confidence to adopt this solution that is being offered in the market today, and also the lack of talent who's familiar with AI, machine learning, and also about the smart solution.
To have an immersive experience for the industry to sort of understand what is I 4.0 by holding it, by playing with it, by seeing it in front of their eyes.
You are aware that we have more than 100 years operational technology and more than 60 years reach of the IT's knowledge.
Hitachi is the best companies that can provide us all the helps and know-how that we need.
We can help them to review the work process and improve the production's efficiency.
So we are pushing the boundary of manufacturing from the traditional labor intensive to AI, blockchain intensive, and using automation.
We committed to work together with the CMCN to come out with the next milestone, and we believe that this kind of collaboration is not a short term, but it will be a kind of a journey between Hitachi and with the Malaysia government.
And we want Malaysia to be leading at least ASEAN and Asia Pacific in this area of smart manufacturing.
So from here, Hitachi can fulfill our obligation as a big company to contribute to the society. And this also can help the Malaysia government to maintain or to enhance the position as a hub of manufacturing in this region.
Thank you, Hitachi. After more than 40 years in Malaysia, they are giving back to society and they are giving back to SMEs. And I hope SMEs will come together, pool your resources and give back to other SMEs.